The correct formula for this sentence, not all rainy days are cold. We will write this. First, let's say that domain. Domain is all days of year, and let a variable d to denote. We choose a variable d to denote the day. So, not all rainy days are cold. Try to concentrate only in this much part. Let's forget not for a while. See, all rainy days are cold means for each days in a year, for every day in a year, if that day is rainy, then that day is cold. So, and before this statement we have not available. For every day d, if day is rainy, then it implies that day will be cold, and before all this not is applied. Now we have complete not all days are cold is equivalent to this. None of the option matches. Let's do some simplification. I will first break this formula as P imply Q is equivalent to not P or Q. So rainy, not rainy or cold. For all D not. Now this not will be transferred to this place, and this for all will be converted to there exists D not, again not rainy. I have written in short R for rainy, C for cold. Now we will apply De Morgan's law. Here, because one not is here and there is or, using De Morgan's, not A or B is equivalent to not A and not B. So, two not before rainy will cancel each other and it will become rainy day and not cold day. There exists day D. Now this matches with the option D. So D is correct answer.